Part 2, Ranga's marriage. Now, the narrator says, what I'm going to tell you is something that happened 10 years ago. We did not have many people who knew English then. Our village accountant was the first one who had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. It is different now. So, this is the same what I've told you that in their village, English was not very popular at that time, and their village accountants sent his son to Bangalore to study. There are many who know English, sorry. During the holidays, you come across them on every street talking in English. Those days, we did not speak in English, nor we bring in English words while talking in Kannada. So he says now in Bangalore, they had seen so many people have studied English, and that time nobody could bring any English word while talking, conversing. What has happened is disgraceful, believe me. The other day, I was in Rama Rao's house when they bought a bundle of firewood. Rama Rao's son came out to pay for it. He asked the woman, "How much should I give you?" "4 pies," she said. The boy told her he did not have any change and asked her to come the next morning. The poor woman did not understand the English word change and went away muttering to herself. Muttering means not speaking clearly. बुड़बड़ाते हुए. I too did not know. Later, when I went to Ranga's house and asked him, I understood what it meant. So he says that in those days it was like that. And he tells a small story that when he went to Ramarao's house, poor woman, he brought some woods and his son gave the money, और वो उसे कहता है कि he did not have any change. So that woman did not understand the word even change. The priceless commodity, the English language, was not so widespread in our village a decade ago. That was why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. People rushed to his doorstep announcing, "The accountant's son has come. The boy who had gone to Bangalore for his studies is here, it seems, and come, Ranga is here, let's go and have a look." So he calls English as a priceless commodity, very useful thing. कि English language इतनी widespread नहीं थी a decade ago, 10 साल उस वक्त में 10 साल पहले. Or that is why Ranga's homecoming, when Ranga finished his studies, he came to the village. It was a great event, and people rushed to his house to see whether he has changed or not. Attracted by the crowd, I too went and stood in the courtyard and asked, "Why have all these people come? There is no performing monkey there here." So he also went there and he asked, "यहाँ पे कोई तो monkey perform नहीं कर रहा? Why they have come?" A boy, a fellow without any brains, said loud enough for everyone to hear, "Why? What are you doing here then?" तो एक बॉय ही वॉज इनसेन इट सीम्स, वो कहता तो फिर आप क्यों आए हैं? अ यंगस्टर, इमेच्योर मीन्स अगेन नॉट फुली डेवलप्ड एंड विदाउट एनी मैनर्स, थिंकिंग दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स वर नाउ ऑफ द पास्ट, आई केप्ट क्वाइट. सो श्यामा सेज दैट ही केप्ट क्वाइट बिकॉज दैट टाइम इट वॉज नॉट दैट अवेयरनेस. Seeing so many people there, Ranga came out with a smile on his face. Had we all gone inside, the place would have turned into what people call the black hole of Calcutta. Because so many people have come, and if Ranga had not come out, अगर सभी अंदर चले जाते inside his house, then it would have looked black hole. कि सब every head was like एक पूरा ऐसा लगता crowd is a black hole of Calcutta. Thank God it did not. Everyone was surprised to see that Ranga was the same as he had been 6 months ago, when he had first left our village. An old lady who was near him ran her hand over his chest, looked into his eyes and said, "The Genevra is still there." Genevra is a sacred thread which is worn by Brahmins. तो वो लेडी बड़ी खुश होती है कि ओके ही हैज़ नॉट टेकन आउट द जनेवर, ही हैज़ेंट लॉस्ट हिज कास्ट. वो बड़ी खुश होती है कि वो अपनी कास्ट पर है, ही हैज़ नॉट लॉस्ट हिज रिचुअल्स, ट्रेडिशंस. She went away soon after that. Ranga laughed. Once they realized that Ranga still had the same hands, legs, eyes, nose, the crowd melted away like a lump of sugar in a child's mouth. And when all this crowd, when they realized, उन्हें लगा कि रंगा के हाथ पैर सब सही हैं, सेम हैं, the crowd dispersed. Melted means dispersed, like a lump of sugar. जैसे एक पीस होता है शुगर का बच्चे के मुंह में घुलने लगता है, ऐसे धीरे धीरे they went. I continued to stand there. After everyone had gone, I asked, "How are you, Rangappa? Is everything well with you?" It was only then the Ranga noticed me. He came near me and did a namaskar respectfully, saying, "I'm all right with your blessings." So this is how he said. I must draw your attention to this aspect. Aspect means this facet of Ranga's character. He knew when it would be to his advantage to talk to someone and rightly assess people's work. कह रहे हैं दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड पार्ट ऑफ रंगा, दैट ही न्यू हाउ टू टॉक, व्हेन टू टॉक। ओके, कब को किसको कैसे जज, वो पीपल लोगों को जज कर लेता है, सस कर लेता है कि किसको कैसे करना है हैंडल। As for his namaskara to me, he did not do it like any present day boy, with his head up towards the sun, standing stiff like a pole without joints, jerking his body as if it was either a wand or a walking stick. एंड देन श्यामा वॉज वेरी हैप्पी कि उसने जो नमस्कार किया वो सिर्फ आजकल के लड़कों की तरह नहीं किया, एज इफ दे आर स्टैंडिंग स्ट्रेट, पोल की तरह खड़े रहते हैं, एंड देन विद अ जर्क, जर्क मीन्स सडन मूवमेंट के साथ वो झुकते हैं हल्का सा, जैसे कि लकड़ी या वॉन्ड जो होता है, स्टिक, एंड देन दे डू नमस्कार। नॉट डिड ही मेरली फोल्ड हिज हैंड्स, उसने सिर्फ अपने हाथ फोल्ड नहीं किए। ही बेंट लो टू टच माई फीट। मे यू गेट मैरिड सून, आई सेड ब्लेसिंग हिम। आफ्टर एक्सचेंजिंग अ फ्यू प्लेजेंट्रीज आई लेफ्ट। और वही वो बड़ा खुश हुआ कि कैसे ही टच्ड हिज फीट। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली द ट्रेडिशन among the families that the youngsters, they should bow down, they should touch the feet of the elders, and this is what Ranga did, and they were very happy that he had not forgotten his traditions, rituals. And after a few pleasantries, light conversation, narrator left for his home. That afternoon, when I was resting, Ranga came to my house with a couple of oranges in his hands, a generous, considerate fellow. And the narrator said he was very generous, bada liberal hai, considerate, thoughtful hai, he brought oranges. It would be a fine thing to have him marry, settle down, and be of service to society, I thought. And then Shyama thought कि अब इसकी शादी कराई जाए. For a while we talked about this and that. Then I came to the point, Rangappa, when do you plan to get married? I'm not going to get married now, he said. Why not? I need to find the right girl. I know an officer who got married only 6 months ago. He's about 30 and his wife is 25, I'm told. They will be able to talk lovingly to each other. So now comes the mere the viewpoint of the Ranga about marriage. So it seems that he is not ready for early marriage. जैसे उस टाइम का कस्टम था, वो चाइल्ड मैरिज के पक्ष में नहीं था। वो एक एग्जाम्पल देता है श्यामा को कि उसका एक फ्रेंड है, ही गॉट मैरिड व्हेन ही वाज 30। वो कहते हैं तभी वो एक दूसरे को मेंटल मैच मिलता है, दे कैन टॉक लविंगली टू ईच अदर। दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट इन माई फर्स्ट वीडियो, इन माई सेकेंड वीडियो। थैंक यू।